Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to get into this body right here, and I'm going to do some finish sanding on it. I'm going to do some wood filler, and then I will continue to do the staining, and we're going to get it all on camera. So here we go. Alright, so this has been finish sanded, lovely, smooth to the touch. So now what's left to do is to glove up. Whenever I'm using a stain or a dye, I use gloves because that stuff is sticky and it's hard to get off your hands, and if you're lucky you can get it off in a couple days. So especially with leather dye. With stain, it's bad, but it's not that as bad, but it's really usually quite sticky. So alright. There you go. And you'll notice I'm using a little foam, little plastic that came with it, which comes in nice and handy when you're trying not to make a mess on a nice worktop of any kind. Oh man, I swear if I do that every episode. We're good. So here's the back with that walnut color. And here's the top. Very cool.